site yesterday chatting with a commercial building facilities manager about the issues with his commercial kitchen's grease trap. And we learned something from those conversations and the inspection together that allowed us to figure out what the issues were in that kitchen. See, he said to us the kitchen wasn't in use, but then when we walked into the kitchen, it was in use for preparing non-cooked items. So maybe he's right, maybe he's wrong, maybe there's more we need to see. We take the grease trap head covers off, and within about 10 minutes, there's water running into the inlet. Well, he said the kitchen wasn't in use. So from this interview and observation, we learned that the kitchen was still in use. It was still putting wastewater into the grease trap, which is one reason it was overflowing. It also was clogged. So we took the interview and the observation along with our knowledge of inspections and commercial kitchens, and we put something together for this client that was more valuable than any one of us could have done alone, because we worked together on it. So guys, when you're inspecting, when you're working with inspectors, disclose everything you can, believe the best about each other, and try to come to a consensus about what's going on with the property. Thanks again.